I'm going to plan my pass, making sure that it's safe in my left lane. I'm going to accelerate slightly because I let my speed drop and it's on a hill, so you can hear my engine roar a little. I'm pressing down gently on the brake to keep my speed going. Hey, it's Jacqueline. And for the next few minutes, I want to talk about passing cars. We're on a major highway with lots of different kinds of vehicles. We've got large trucks, we've got RVs, we've got cars, and motorcycles. Because this is a 4-lane highway, slower traffic stays to the right and faster traffic moves to the left. The speed limit is 70, but big trucks are advised to keep their speed at 55. You can see that we've got ourselves behind some slow-moving trucks. So we're going to make a lane change. We have to make sure we can see the headlights of the big car behind us. I can't read it, but it's some kind of RV. I accelerate slightly to pass the truck, but since it's going 55 at my speed limit, I just go right past. And I'm not going to get back in the right lane because I don't want to get stuck behind these other slow trucks. So if we're driving along at 70 miles an hour and trucks are traveling 55, we're going to have to pass some trucks on our road trips. And what I want you to remember is you're always going to make sure it's safe before you make your lane change. You might have to accelerate just a bit if you've let your speed drop behind the truck to get back up to the speed limit and pass the truck. And then you're only going to go back in the lane when you can see both headlights. Then you know that it is safe to clear the truck. We remember that trucks take a long time to stop because they are very big and heavy, and we have to give full clearance to trucks before we change lanes to go back into their lane. And I see a red truck up ahead. The car ahead of me is planning their pass. They just completed it. I'm going to plan my pass, making sure that it's safe in my left lane. I'm going to accelerate slightly because I let my speed drop and it's on a hill, so you can hear my engine roar a little. I'm pressing down gently on the brake to keep my speed going. I'm going to check the rear view mirror and pass back when it's safe. And normally I wouldn't hang out in this right truck lane. We're doing this just as an example so that you can see how you would pass a truck, especially taking care that you're checking your rear view mirror to make sure you can see the headlights, following through with all your lane change work, signal, mirror, blind spot, easing over, and accelerating back to the speed limit. We're going to stay out of the truck lane. We see a long row of trucks and we're safe in this number 2 lane. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. Thanks for checking in to think about how to pass trucks on a wide open highway where you're likely to be traveling with a lot of trucks. Take care and have a great rest of your day. I hope there are many, many open roads ahead of you.